Inheriting a home can be a blessing, but it can also be a challenge. After the passing of a loved one, the last thing you want to worry about is what to do with their home. But with the right guidance and support, selling an inherited house can be a seamless process. If you've recently inherited a home and are considering selling it, there are a few things to keep in mind. The first thing to do is assess the property's condition and determine any necessary repairs or updates. If the house is in need of major repairs, it may be beneficial to sell it as is to a real estate investor. The next step is to gather all necessary paperwork, including the will, death certificate, and any other legal documents. Consulting with a lawyer can also be helpful to navigate any legal matters. From there, you can list the property and start showing it to interested buyers. With the right guidance and support, selling an inherited home can be a seamless process, allowing you to focus on what matters most, honoring your loved one's memory. If you're considering selling an inherited home, contact a trusted real estate professional, like Yes I Pay Cash, today. Contact Yes I Pay Cash to sell your inherited house today.